Hello everyone! It's day 2. Actually, hindi na ako... Um, ang last pala ay Burnham. Oh, I think that's the last bit. Yeah, I think. Yeah, yun na ata. So yun, hindi na kami nakapag-video ng nights because we are all so tired. Pagod na pagod ang mga first son. But anyways, it's already day 2 of our Baguio. And I'm currently in our room. Actually, dito kami nag-stay ni Ate Gail. So yeah, pack. So this is where I sleep. This is where Ate Gail sleeps. And then, actually, itong pinto natin, hindi namin ito binubuksan. Pero this is the terrace. Pero hindi ko sure kung saan ito. And yan, ito yung gamit namin. This is our CR. May pa-shower. Ayan. Medyo ano lang, malabo yung salamin. Pero, nakaligo kasi kami. So, yeah. Ay, nakabukas. Ayan. So, yan. So, actually, connected siya. Connected. Ay, dito na pala tayo duman. So, connected siya, actually. So, that's our room. And this is Mama and Tita's room. Yeah. This is their room. Yes. Nice. Yeah. So, di ba, kabo. So, actually, alis kami. Pero mag 8 pa. Anong oras ba? It's already 7:08. So, mga 52 minutes before we go. Back. This is my fit for today. Sino ko dyan? Yeah. So, yeah. We're gonna go outside of our room. So yeah, this is, ito yung daanan, parang hallway na papunta sa aking rooms. And there's a sofa there. If you want to read books, may mga books over around here. May books around the house actually. Diyan, meron dyan. Tapos meron din sa mga kwarto namin. Kung doon ako nakita nyo, pero... And this is the terrace. Let's go outside. Ito. Medyo scary lang siyang buksan. Kahit di na tayo lumabas. Kahit dito na lang. Yan, that's the terrace. Titiktok sana ako dyan pero hindi ko kinaya. Sobrang pagod kahapon. It's close. Medyo mahirap kaya. Ayan. So we're gonna go down. I'm going downstairs. Hi! Everyone, say hello. It's day 2.
Morning!
Morning, y'all.
Parang si Earth.
Yes. Ayan, Ate Gail, say hi. It's day 2. Hindi ka tatakas ko yun. Just say hi.
Hi!
Ayan. So, ayan. Ngayon lang mag-house tour.
Breakfast.
Can you tour us, please, Ate Alex?
No!
Tapos na yung taas, actually.
I don't want to. I'm
No,
sorry.
you don't have a... Ayan.
I'm having a very elegant sink.
Elegant sink. So, sobrang elegant. Ang sarap maghugas. Pero, hindi pa ako naghuhugas.
Wala ka pang huhugasan eh.
Yeah.
Oo,
Let's put it that way na lang na hindi na ako maghuhugas. Ayan. So, ito yung sink namin. Opak. Marble yung counter. Counter! Ayan. Dito nagluluto. And this is our refrigerator.
Sa
Na?
Viper, sa Viper.
Yan lang ang laman. Hotdog. And the rest.
Hindi pa dumating.
Ayan, may mga cream puff.
Ito.
And then, mga mango na binili namin sa Burnham Park. Yun na yung last nating update, diba? Okay, yun. Yeah. Tapos, eto, dito kami kumakain. It's not very small, but it's small. It's not big, it's not massive. Pero, yeah, and simple lang. Hindi naman siya super. This is our ideal house. Yeah. Let's go to their rooms.
Magulo.
Ayan. Dito natutulog ang aking Ate Alex and Kuya Jess. Ayan. Ay, hindi ba? Sorry. Ayan. This is their bed, and then their clothes and everything. And this is the living room. May malaking TV. Ilang inches yan?
Mga 42, 40.
40, parang ganun. Ganun kalaki. Mas malaki sa TV namin sa bahay.
Siyempre.
Ayan.
Isipin mo yung tutulong tayo pag ganyan.
Totoo. Ang ganda. Baba. Oh, let's go outside. Ay. Let's go outside. Dito dadaan. Yes, let's go outside. Daming locks. Whee! Yes. So, ayan. So, meron siyang pag ganyan. Diyan kami dumadaan sa staircase na yun. Actually, let's go here. Hindi ko pala alam to. So, eto. Actually, dito namin nakikita yung labas. Ayun, no? This is the window. Hi! Ayan. Tapos yan, may daanan dyan. Yan ata yung sa other house. Kasi ito yung sa amin. Ito yung parang pinaka-main. Yun yung sa amin. So, yun. Tapos, if we go here, ito yung another house. Ito yung another pinag-rentan. Ito yung daanan, papuntang car. Kasi yun yung garage, parang garage. Ayan. Tapos, ito yung papuntang other terrace. Which is ba, hindi na tayo kasi medyo hassle. Basta yun. Yun yung sinasabi kong hindi pwede daan. Hindi pwede buksan. Parang ganun. Hindi na namin binubuksan. Ayun, di ba? It's small, but it's good. Right? Yeah. Okay, let's go back in.
Bilang tayo, chef. Kundi nutritionist.
May tao pa kaya dun sa kabila?
Ito,
Outside.
basurahan.
Yeah.
Pwede ka pala dito tumaan CD, lumabas ka pa doon.
Yeah. Huh?
Pwede ka tumaan dito.
Pwede. Hello? Anybody there?
Dito sa baba.
It's locked. Nakalock pa. So may tao. So yeah. Ay, may tao nga. May laman. So yeah, mamaya ko na kayo ito-tours. Next. Ay. Oh, it's open. Hi. Morning. Go, Ate Pearl. Ayan. So may ako na kayo ito-tour. Sa kabilang side ng bahay. Ayan. Hi. So let's continue our tour.
Oh, visa yan.
So yan, wala nang tao dito. So here is the other bathroom. Pa, ganda ng salamin. Yes, yan. Ganda dito. Tama, it's small, but parang spacious. Kasya ng at least two people. Two people can, gamit this. Yan, ang ganda ng salamin dito. OA kasi. Ayan, this is the shower. Try natin kumato. Hello? Hi!
House tour pala siya.
Yes! Hello. Say hello to the vlog. It's day 2.
Let's go.
Day 2 na. Yan. So, ito ang room nila. Ate Mika and Ate Pearl.
Number 4.
Room number 4.
Yeah.
Yes, the room number 4. So, ito daw yung... ito yung nakita namin sa picture. Tapos, nag-aaway sila Ate Alex. Dahil, feeling daw nila may makikita sila kapag natutulog. Guys, ay, may salamin din dito. Pak. So, how is your sleep?
It's not good.
It's not good.
Yeah.
Mine's good.
Ate Pearls is good. Why is it not good?
Pagising-gising me and my knee hurts
Your knee hurts.
Yeah.
From where?
from walking
From
and
walking.
from biking.
From the biking, yes.
Yes.
Yes. But it's
It's fun.
yes, it's fun. There's no fun if there's no pain. Anyways, yeah, ito yung room nila.
Kunin ko na yung CR.
Yeah, ganda nga ng CR.
Ayun pala yung naririnig ko na yung sasalita.
Yes. So yun, anong oras tayo, Alice?
8.
8, alis tayo ng 8. Where are we gonna go?
We're gonna tour around Baguio.
Tour around Baguio.
Yeah.
Yes! Kaya mas marami pa kayong makikitang content.
Wow!
Content! Kala mo naman nagbablog, nakakainis. Ayan, bye! See you later! So, yeah.
Yeah.
Nate, mamayang 8, alis tayo. Alis kami. And you will see a lot of places from Baguio. Ganda ng lighting eh. Boxes. Perfect picture. Wow, OA. Anyways, yan. Done with the house tour. So, babalik na lang kami mamaya. Babalik kami mamaya. Sure. Babalikan ko kayo mamaya. For our tour here at Baguio. So, see you later at the place, guys. Bye!